Hi there, welcome to Grain TV. It's Tuesday, March 22nd, an up day in grains. Let's take a look at the Grain Edge trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn up half a cent a bushel, closing at $3.70. Wheat up a quarter, and beans was the leader to the upside, gaining 8 1/4 cents a bushel. News out today was pretty light in terms of fundamental changes in the grain market. We did have the concern about the Brussels attack at the airport and train stations there. That led the stock markets down, especially in Europe overnight. The U.S. started the stock market lower, but ended up closing pretty firm as a result. News out today was pretty light. Otherwise, in terms of grain, there was a little bit of reported export activity, but really the bean market continues to climb higher, and today in particular I think we saw a very active farmer selling day. We know a lot of the merchandisers had active orders sitting there, resting if you will, for farmers, and a lot of those orders got hit today as we hit pivotal marks, and in particular we got up in new crop beans up to nearly the high that we set back in December, and we'll take a look at that here in a second. As we look at the bean chart, this is the November beans. We go back to December, the last time we were at these levels, and at that point we had a high of 926.5, and you can see that we've traded lower over that time period and really just kind of chopped around until about 3 weeks ago when we tested those lows and have substantially moved higher as a result. Is there any sort of new fundamental news? No. There's nothing really that is driving this other than two things, I think. One is the obvious, that's the short covering rally that we have been pinning and talking about for the last 2 weeks as record large shorts are in the market. The other thing is the Brazilian real, which has changed in value. That is tangible, that is noticeable because it does improve our competitive position. Is that reason for a nearly 60-cent rally? Maybe, maybe not, but it's certainly getting the shorts to cover right now. And the question is going to be, are we done or have we reached our upside here? And my guess is that we may have seen at least a temporary top here. We have the fundamentals at the end of this month to really give us more direction in terms of planted acres, in terms of quarterly stocks. I don't see how this market can trade substantially higher without more positive or bullish fundamental input at this juncture. So with this big move, we're basically exhausted that full double bottom here at 924, which is roughly where we closed at today. If you are interested in technical indicators, we at Grain Hedge offer daily trade alerts every morning before the markets open at 8:30 Central Time, and we give out our own technical indicators of where we think the market's going to go. This morning, May beans, our technical alert showed trading in the night session closing out about 906, and we suggested the move for the day would be higher at 911, and that is precisely about where we ended up closing. We actually traded a little bit higher. If you're interested in this kind of information to help you in your marketing or your trading decisions, give us a look on grainhedge.com or give us a call 877-472-4607. Grain Hedge is pleased to announce a new tool called Technical Alerts. Technical Alerts is free to our trading clients and delivered by email first thing in the morning every trading day. Technical Alerts is a powerful, easy-to-use system that provides quality trading opportunities. Each trading opportunity shows a chart and analysis, providing clear price targets and risk potential to allow you to make an educated trading decision. The commodities covered include grains, livestock, crude oil, currencies, bonds, and metals. Technical Alerts look at historical chart formations and compare the current environment to the past to form concrete trading recommendations. Let's take a look at how to interpret a technical alert. At the top, you will see a red or green indicator arrow which signifies the market's likely move. Red shows when weaker prices are expected, and green for when higher prices are expected. The summary section shows the expected price target and the expected duration it should take to reach the target. Also, Technical Alerts provides both support and resistance to help you identify key levels on the price chart. Underlying support is where technicians believe there is a level of buying interest, while overhead resistance is the price level thought to trigger more active selling. The support is marked with the letter A on the corresponding price chart, and resistance is marked with the letter B. Below the chart, you will see the data interval of the bars. For example, a 1 hour data interval means the chart pattern was constructed from a 1 hour bar chart. And when you are using the Grain Hedge trading platform, you can use the pull down on your chart to change the bar interval to the appropriate time period. As always, we strive to provide you the best tools to improve your trading and hedging activity. If you have any questions on how to use technical alerts, please contact us at 877-472-4607 or by email at support@grainhedge.com.